Hello everybody, just to let you know the herbs, the spices that were used in the dal that is going to go up on the Facebook page of Tara Canning Nutrition later today, the 22nd of November 2018. And what I've used in it are some very supportive herbs and spices, primarily turmeric, which is also in the curry powder. And turmeric is very good for gallbladder and liver, anti-inflammatory. It aids to clear toxins out of the body, and can even be used to clean your teeth. Which you will see in another video that we're going to put up on YouTube later. Cinnamon stick, which has got blood balancing properties, so that's going to keep your blood sugar levels nice and calm. And the great thing about the Dahl recipe is that it's a complex food with plenty of protein, good fats and carbohydrates in there to keep you fuller longer. Wonderful Nigella seeds, another beautiful black seed that you can sprinkle on your cooking and put in when you're cooking anything that has onions in it. And it's great to put it on your bread, on your scones, on all your baked goods as well. And that one is really good, again for lowering cholesterol, but also very good for clearing the lungs and circulation. A lot of people make an oil out of it, black seed oil, so that's the actual black seed we're talking about. And here we have the fenugreek seeds. We use them a lot here in the clinic for lowering cholesterol and also for women's health, and they help to clear out the cervix and the womb area, so they're very good for anything to do with PMS, PMT, endometriosis, all that kind of thing. And that's the main herbs really that are in the dal. So as I say, enjoy making the recipe, and you can make it as spicy or as mild as you want with your chili peppers, and enjoy.